Okay, so we are demonstrating 3-in-1 laser station. See this machine, double touch screen. This is key switch ND-arc laser, which is helpful for tattoo removal, pigmentation removal, carbon toning, carbon facial, skin rejuvenation treatment. And now this is IPL, intense pulse light, very good, beneficial for hair reduction, acne treatment, pigmentation treatment, photofacial. And this is RF for anti-aging, any kind of wrinkle treatment, fine lines, any skin lifting, tightening. See the machine, see the quality, aesthetic, and the backside area. Now we will start with the complete demonstration part. So this is key switch. Just see this double touch screen. So this is screen for intense pulse light, IPL and RF, and this is for ND-arc laser, carbon facial and pigmentation therapy, other therapies. So first start with intense pulse light. You just enter, you can see beautiful system and lift. So beauty system for intense pulse light, you can see hair reduction menu, SR1 menu, that's skin rejuvenation, SR2, SR3, SR4 and SHR. So if you want hair reduction, you just enter hair reduction and go. You can see this kind of frequency, different different kind of folders, milliseconds, frequencies are there, and we can select the energy. So suppose we start hair reduction, so just prepare the area with shaving with the razor and set the energy by 15, check the cooling and check the filter. So see this is intense pulse light handle. We have selected 640 nanometer ka filter for hair reduction. Now see this lamp is, there is no light. Once we press this option ready, you can see the light is there. So handpiece is ready, the cooling system is ready, you can feel and you can select. And on the gel, you just apply the gel on dermis and just touch it and flash it, touch it and flash it. So you can feel the burning sensation, but this is very good, very light sensation. This kind of energy you can feel. So this is IPL. Now put the standby and then back. Same here, you can select SR1, see the filter. So you can do photofacial and other parts also. Just back. After that you can see the lift. So just see this. This is for RF. RF has the radio frequency. Heat sensation will be there. You can select as per the dermis requirement, say 7, and ready with this machine. So you can see the hand press is ready. After this, you can just press it and do the process on gel. The patient can feel heating sensation. This will help for skin lifting, tightening, wrinkle treatment, post-pregnancy stretch mark removal, and many kind of anti-aging treatment. So just stand by and back. Now coming to ND-arc laser. So it has two kind of things. One, we can use it is for the hair tattoo removal, some bleaching effect, and the carbon toning. So you can see three filters are there: the blue filter, the silver filter, and the black filter. For tattoo removal, we have to use silver filter. So this is the handpiece and the foot switch. So we have to do fire command from the switch, foot switch. So just enter here and you can see three different menus are there. 1064 is the silver filter, 532 is the blue filter, and 1320 is a black filter. So first we demonstrate 1064 for tattoo removal. You can select energy from here, you can select frequency from here, and you can ready this machine. Once it's ready, you can fire. I am demonstrating it on the black paper. You can see the fire. You can see the fire. The same you can do on plain dermis, there is no harm, but if it is black surface or tattoo is there, you can see the result. Okay, after that we will change the filter, the carbon toning. We will replace the filter with black filter, and once you plan for carbon toning, you have to do carbon gel like this. You have to just apply the carbon paste on face, just dry it, and then you can select 1320, set the energy with 200, and the ready. After this procedure, you just make shots and remove the carbon. This is carbon toning. You just see, if we apply it on the normal dermis, there is no flash, there is no intensity, but on carbon it will penetrate. So this is the carbon toning. You can have a better result within 10-20 minutes with the carbon gel, carbon facial, carbon toning, or we can say black doll facial. So this is the machine all about. Thank you so much.